Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at the F-Sense tree stake kit. This is the spiral option. So I'm going to do a little unboxing here with you guys and show you what you get. Everything comes pretty neatly packaged and you do get a nice little user guide. So they come wrapped up and they look like this. You get 3 of them and there is a little protector here on the end so that there's no sharp edges when you're unwrapping it. And then you get 3 ropes, 3 straps with these like galvanized eyelets, and then you get these little metal rope adjusters. In the instruction guide, it's super clear and easy to follow. They provide you with pictures and details about the other stake options as well, and then some more information here on the back. So I have a dwarf Japanese persimmon behind me that's leaning pretty bad because all of its leaves and branches and fruit is producing kind of on one side. So we're going to help correct that with the stake kit and just make sure that it's well supported. So step 1 is figuring out where the straps need to be placed. So to do that, you want to grab around the trunk and see where it needs steadying. So step 2 is going to be placing the straps, and these straps are quite wide and they are nice and flat. They feel so well made, and this flat design is going to help prevent it causing damage to the tree, which is super wonderful. And then you're just going to feed your rope through, and we're going to tie this off. Now we're going to put the stake in the ground, and with the spiral ones, you just want to screw it in counterclockwise until all of the spirals are in the ground. All right, so we're going to feed the rope through the stake and through one side of the little red rope adjuster, and it's closer to the tree, like on the other side of the stake, and then bring the rope through, and we're going to tie a knot here. And then you can use this here to create tension. And simply repeat the process for all of the other pieces to the kit, and you are done. All right, so we got all of the stakes put in. It was super easy. The instructions they provide are so handy, and it's super simple to adjust and create tension on the rope with the little rope adjusters. Truly a wonderful product. It's going to give this tree so much support and hopefully help it come back the other way and maybe start producing some branches and fruit on the other side of the tree as well to help even it out. So if you were in need of some tree staking kits, this is a wonderful product. I would definitely give these a try.